Hello everyone. Today we'll start the new topic, that is drafting, pleading and convincing. So we'll discuss about the general principles of drafting. Firstly, in this video we will be discussing about the meaning, purpose, importance and its principle. That is formation, arrangement of facts, style and languages, physical characteristics of the drafting. Firstly, we will understand the meaning of drafting. Now, what is drafting? It is an art which can be gained only by continuous practice. In the legal field, the act of writing legal documents is known to be drafting. Secondly, the main feature is to represent all the relevant statements and issues in the field of litigation. An advocate must have proper skills and patience for drafting. The main aim of drafting is to give accuracy and a true statement. Thirdly, the process of drafting involves 3 drafts. That first one focuses on the fact should be properly mentioned. Secondly, second draft works on the first draft language correction in a proper form. Third, the final draft gives an authenticated finish of the legal document to convince the concerned authority. Now, what is a draft? It is generally a precise document which gives all necessary details about the case. It is called a rough document which is prepared by the lawyers, and after that, a final touch needs to be prepared the draft. There are 2 terminology in making draft. That is draftsman. He is the person who makes the document like mortgage deed, lease deed, etc. And second is dragoman. He is the person translate the whole summary of the judgment. Now we will discuss about the purpose of drafting. The purpose of drafting is the basic purpose of drafting is to provide idea and a proper information. Its main aim is to provide a clear and a concise data which can be easily understood by the clients and can satisfy the want of them. An advocate must not forget that there is always a motive or objective behind every text he writes in a pleading or drafting. Now we will discuss about the importance of a legal document. In a law field of drafting is the one of the integral part which should be an expert in making draft. We can't expect anyone and everyone to be perfect in drafting, but more and more practice gives more knowledge to them. Firstly, everyone should understand the law and the facts about the cases. Now we will discuss about the principle that governs the drafting. The first one is the formation of outline in a satisfactory manner. Draft is a frame of any document. It means that final prepared document should be fleshed out all the irrelevant issues. A draft should contain all the language used should not be obscure. Secondly, it emphasizes on the arrangement of facts. This signifies that arrangement of the facts. The facts should be arranged in a good manner to present appropriate frame. There must be a compatibility before presenting the ideas. Third, style and the language. It is an integral factor for the transfer of an idea. There must be a clear and emphasis thinking. The style used must be in legal terms so that the facts can be easily understood in a precise manner. Grammar mistakes, repetition spellings should be avoided. Fourth, the physical character. The draft must be made on a paper, A4 size sheet mainly, which includes the margins of 4 centimeters from the top to left. Now next is each page should be numbered. Starting text should be in a Roman numbers and the main text in Arabic. In upper right corner, the pages should be appear. The format of the text should be doubled space. Now we will discuss about the rules of drafting. A frame of a draft should be made before finalizing it. Secondly, no fact should be deleted. Then, we should avoid the negative statements, simple language, and it must be accurate. Proper attention is needed to be translating in any case or matter, and it should be divided into paragraphs, and each contain a major point. It should be made with the competent skills to understand all the mentioned details. Before presenting a draft, it should be read before. Now we will discuss about the do's and don'ts about the drafting. It should be a concise matter, usage of right words, collective words, and motive. Sentence should be short and make a frame. The whole idea must be in a brief manner. Now we should avoid repetitions, no mistakes in the typing, avoid similar words which have same meanings. Now, what is the conclusion of drafting? It can be concluded that drafting is an art which should be known by every writer. An advocate should always keep his mind that the language should be precise and simple, which can be easily understood by clients or other persons. The words used be actionable so that the judge can easily be convinced if it is impressive. So that all was about the drafting. In next video we will discussing about the pleadings, written statements, and the plaint.